morning, good afternoon, whenever time it is that you're watching this. And fellow adventurers, we are here with Patrick of RV Life. RV Life is like the go-to app that we've been using for the last almost 2 years. And I'm gonna have Patrick explain what RV Life is and why, if you travel in a rig, if you're camping, if you're outdoors at all, that you need RV Life.
Good, thanks for having us and coming by the booth, first of all. And so RV Life Pro, we call it, is the #1 tool for helping RVers find campsites and plan their route. One of the most difficult things that RVers struggle with is being able to know where they're going to be at the end of a driving day. Are they getting an RV safe route? They want to know, where do I find campgrounds? Can I filter on campgrounds? All of these types of things. And so RV Life Pro takes care of that for you. You plan your trip in your laptop, tablet, so you can use your phone if you want to. All the things you need, satellite view, street view, we've got an elevation and grade chart in there. We've got every campground, city park, state park, local park, national park, KOA, Passport America, we've got it all. We'll tell you exactly when you're gonna need fuel, exactly where you're gonna be, and once you've planned that big trip, then you can navigate that trip with the mobile app by following the GPS.
Sweet. So I know that we've used it, especially for bridge heights and things like that, for routes that are safe for the RV. When we upgraded last year, we went from like 11 feet and now we're at 13.6, and boy, we have come close once or twice. Yeah. But I just kind of like, stop, pulled out the RV Life Pro, and okay, we're safe. We only made it maybe 2 inches, but we still made it.
Right.
Anything new and upcoming that you're hoping to see in 2023?
Yeah, we are. We're hoping to add some additional features into Trip Wizard. We've got a feature coming called, and I don't want to speak too much because I don't know the timeline, but we want to give you the ability to add some day trips in there. Again, I don't know the timeline on that. The developers are very secretive. But we also want to give a little bit more functionality and ability within the mobile app to possibly control that planning experience a little bit more.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So how much is it to join RV Life Pro?
RV Life Pro is only $59 a year. Here at the show, we've got a show special, but you guys also have a code that you're going to give to the audience. They're the same value, so nothing there. The best part about that is, look, 59 bucks is one good night's camping, right? It's not very expensive, and you're locked into that price. As long as you stay on that annual subscription of $59, you're locked in. When that price goes up, you won't be paying more.
That's great. So we have this code. It'll be in the comment in the bios below. So go ahead and click on it if you're interested. If you have any questions, please feel free to talk to me or Kevin, and we'll answer them as fast as we can.
Patrick, I have one question from behind the camera.
Very good.
So is this just app-based, or can you use it on a laptop or an iPad along those lines and just have a standard internet connection for it?
It's yes, which is a vague yes to everything. So there's really two components to it. All of the trip planning is done in a web browser, whether that's done on a laptop, a tablet, or a phone. You do need internet, of course. It's a web browser-based tool for the planning. The navigation, however, once you've planned your trip, is on the phone. You don't need internet because you can download those maps. The states, every state your route touches will be downloaded to your phone. And so as long as the GPS chip can talk to the sky and you have the map on the phone, even if you lose cell signal, you're still going to have that map in front of you.
That's awesome. That's great. Well, thank you so much, Patrick, for taking the time out of your busy day, and we appreciate it. And like I said, it's basically the app that we use. So,
well, thanks for having me.